Welcome to DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Astra 1.6 diesel. It's the Elite, top of the range, in absolutely fantastic condition. It's got rear front park distance control, lovely upgraded alloy wheels, bodywork's in absolutely lovely condition, rear park distance control. It's a facelift model. Look at that, absolutely lovely. So the boot area is all lovely. Got the rear parcel shelf. Full black leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Nowhere on the bolster. You would not think this car was done anywhere near the mileage. It drives fantastic, looks great. Just start the car up. Starts lovely. So it's a facelift model with a nice touch screen. We've got the satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats for passenger and driver, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights, climate control, media pack, DAB, full navigation, park distance audio and visual, centre armrest, all lovely, 6-speed gearbox, really is in lovely condition. DJH, we provide full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.